Don't know what to cook? Let's go together to make a very delicious and popular Iranian dish. Hi, welcome to today's cooking. Today's food is a delicious and popular Iranian food, Bakhtiari kebab. Ingredients: lamb meat, chicken fillet, onion, bell pepper, olive oil, lemon juice, yogurt, saffron, salt and pepper. First, pour lemon juice in a bowl, then add olive oil, salt and pepper to it, and mix together. Cut meat and chicken into equal pieces. Then, add chopped onion, yogurt, saffron, lemon juice, and salt and pepper to it. Mix together. Add some olive oil, then mix again. Then, skewer the meat and chicken, as in the video. You can eat kebab both with rice and with bread. Enjoy your meal. Thank you for being with us in today's cooking. Until next cook, goodbye.